J'aimerais bien. This is so cute. So, let's see what I got. First of all, I got some sour cream. 15% sour cream, 15% grease, as we prefer to eat kind of healthy. Then I got some meat. I got 1 kilogram of chicken breast. Here we go. Chicken breast. Then I also got ricotta cheese. My boyfriend loves it, so he can eat like 2 of it, which is 450 grams. He can eat it 2 boxes like this in just 1 week, which is crazy. And he can eat it like all alone, all by himself, no sharing. Well, I got 2 pots for pizza. Who knows, maybe we'll make some pizza this weekend. Invite some friends over. I got a bit of carrots. I got tomato purees. Petit pois, it's green peas. Then what else did I get? I also got some grapes. Well, right now September is over, but September, October, August, this is the best moment to enjoy the fruits, and especially grapes, and I'm like a huge grape lover, so why not? Never enough. What else did I get? I also got a box of croissant. There are 6 of it, which I think would be pretty good for tomorrow breakfast. And a baguette, cereal baguette. It's very delicious. Well, actually, that's it. The bag was like very heavy, but I thought actually that I bought a little bit more. Oh, I almost forgot. I bought this little bag of, or package of different cheese, which I think like might be cool with some coffee, just like enjoy it. It will cost me like around 32 euros, which is like kind of fine, but I cannot say that this is the price that we're spending like on our weekly groceries, as we prefer to go to the supermarkets more often than anyway. Like the thing as like baguette, you personally, me, I like to have it like fresh, and especially that it cannot stay at home like longer than 2 days because it gets dry. So, and it doesn't cost that much. It's like around 60 cents. Well, it depends on the baguette that you like. And yeah, I think it's way better when it's fresh and you just like go to boulangerie and you get a fresh, hot, it's crunchy bread. So like what can be better than this? Anyway, today like why I bought carrots. I don't really like carrots, but I bought them today because I'm going to make a salad, a Ukrainian salad that calls Olivier. This is not really Ukrainian, sorry. I think in Russia and all like those East European countries, like we cook it pretty often. Well, not too often. It's like not for everyday consume, but when I was a kid, my mom was making it for different occasions as Christmas, New Year, well, and birthdays for sure. So today this is what I'm going to do. Yeah, let's make it.
Since day one, she's just trying to find a way home. It's no longer there, no. Meanwhile, I'm halfway across the globe trying to keep it together. Like I got everything I need, but can't seem to get better. We're in over our heads. It seems better off dead. Keep getting up again. That's when I realize you and me, well, we're not so different. We both know we need to settle down. We've been running for our whole lives, trying to make the wrongs right. You and me. Oh yeah, you and me aren't so different. She never knew what she was made for. It's not her fault, but she still pays for it. No one's around to take the blame for it, so she carries it alone. Meanwhile, I'm over 3 time zones away, trying not to go crazy. Feels like I got all the answers I need, but ain't nothing gonna save me. We're in over our heads, we're not giving up yet. We need resurrection. Realizing you and me, well, we're not so different. We both know we need to settle down. We've been running for our whole lives, trying to make the wrongs right. You and me aren't so different after all. Yeah, yeah. And you and me Looks like we have landed in the same place. You and me, but we're not so different. We both know we need to settle down. We've been running for our whole lives, trying to make our wrongs right. You and me aren't so different after all. Realizing you and me, but we're not so different. We both know we need to settle down, down, down. We've been running for our whole lives, trying to make our wrongs right. You and me aren't so different after all. You and me aren't so different.
Pickles.